We will now learn how to assemble the clarinet. First thing you're going to want to do is place your clarinet flat on a flat surface, either the floor, a table, or a chair. Next, we're going to want to lift the latches and take out our reed because we are going to want to wet this in our mouth while we are putting together the instrument. We're going to start from the bottom up. Start with our bell. Then we're going to take our lower joint and hold it by the rods, making sure to compress any keys that we hold down and gently twist together. We never want to hold it by the moving keys to make sure we don't accidentally bend them. Next step will be to take our upper joint and we're going to want to align this with the two bridge keys. This one will go underneath the top one. Again, grabbing it by a brace, grabbing it by the rods, and compressing the keys, and gently twisting together, making sure these two parts align. Our next step will be to take out the barrel and gently twist it on the rest. Then we have our mouthpiece and our ligature. We want to make sure that the ligature is loose so there's enough room to put on the reed. There is a more detailed guide on how to put the reed onto the mouthpiece on the website above. Same with everything else, gently twist to make sure that's put together. Our last step, we'll take our reed that we've been wetting and we are going to assemble it onto our clarinet. Gently twisting the screws so they are just tight enough to not turn anymore and not pushing too hard. We are now ready to start playing.